The 3-in-1 marker is a fill stick on one end, a marker on the other with a leveler cap. This is a handy device to do touch-up on your furniture. To show you how it works, we have the marker here. I'm going to shake it up, make sure I can stir up all the pigments and the dyes that are in this marker. And then I'm going to pump the marker, push down until I start to get some color on the marker nib. Once I have color on the marker nib, it's ready to go. And then I'm going to pull that marker over the edge that I've sanded some color off of. Just a spot there. And you've disguised that scuffed edge. For the fill stick end, I have a scratch here on my board. It was a little rough, so I took some sandpaper on edge and dressed up the edges a little bit. Then I'm going to take the fill stick with my finger pressing down. And the goal here is to overfill the repair. Going across the repair, pushing fairly hard as it fills. Just used a light pass. Now I have an overfilled repair. I use the leveler cap to level off the filler and then use a rag to wipe off the excess. For more information on Finisher's Edge touch-up products, go to mohawkfinishing.com.